Hello everyone, welcome to the 11th tutorial on a beginner's guide on how to Twinmotion. So, in today's video, I'll be explaining how to use Skydome within Twinmotion. Look how photorealistic the sky looks. Okay, let's do this. So, to start off, what's Skydome? It's almost the same actually as the weather manipulation from the previous video. Difference is that in weather, let's go here. Everything seems computer generated, thus it doesn't seem realistic. It's predetermined. How? Let's go to weather. Here, if you play around with the weather control, you can see how it just affects the sky, how it changes. It doesn't seem photorealistic, doesn't it? Now let's give Skydome a try. Let's go back to settings, lighting. If I were to turn this on, hold on. Let's do it like this. There. Now let's go back to setting, lighting, and if I were to turn this on, look at the difference between weather and Skydome itself. Now it looks a bit realistic, doesn't it? But of course, like materials, we can change that to whatever is pre-uploaded for us. So let's give it a try. Now, first, let's go here. We're gonna go to Skydome in the option right here. And here, everything has been categorized for us depending on the time of the day. Let's give morning and afternoon a try. Let's go to Skydome, go to more. Here, kind of like in vegetation paint or vegetation scatter, we can choose the type of sky that we want. So let's give cloudy a try. What should be a good cloudy? Oh, this looks cool. See this button right here? We gotta download it first, so click on that. But one thing you gotta know is to download that, you gotta make sure you've logged on to Epic Games itself. If you didn't, you won't be able to click this or download it. So make sure that you've opened your Twinmotion via Epic Games itself. Okay, now let's just wait for it to finish. While it downloads, let's play around a bit. Here, we can match the sun. For the shadows, let's look for a good shadow here. Look at that. Meaning, the sun is over here. Now, let's rotate it. There. We also have the capability to rotate the dome that we are in. And if I were to turn this off and rotate this, look at that. Doesn't really affect anything, does it? And intensity, of course, that's self-explanatory. So let's leave it in 8. There, that should be good. And on the match sun, there, that should be good. Okay, now it's done downloading. Let's go ahead and apply that to our 3D scene. You can either click and drag here or here and let go. Let's give it some time to apply itself. Check it out. Seems photorealistic, doesn't it? Now, let's try to give it some rotation and look for the best quality for us. This looks awesome. If we turn this off, you will see how the shadows are gone. Let's play around with the intensity a little bit. 10 should be good enough. Let's turn off ray tracing, path tracer, and let's see how it's gonna look like. Just give it a moment. There. Pretty realistic, doesn't it? Let's turn it off again. Let's give other options a try. What about overcast? Nothing good here. In clear. Let's try this one. Let's give this a download. Like I said, You gotta be logged on to Epic Games itself before you can download any of this and open Twinmotion from there. Just a little bit more. While waiting, let's try to play around with things a little bit. Now seems done. Let's load it now. Give it a moment. Doesn't seem much difference. Let's try to do some rotation. Ah, no wonder, because we're using a clear sky. That's why it doesn't really show anything apart from the sky itself. Okay, and I guess that's it. So feel free to play around with the Skydome by yourself. Just be careful playing around. You gotta have a very good GPU and make sure that your computer can handle it. As you can hear, my laptop's starting to get noisy and I can feel it very hot from my side here. Okay, so that's it for this Skydome video. For questions and suggestions, please do comment below. And if you find this tutorial helpful, do support me by liking and subscribing. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in the next one.